ADA, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. First of all, if we refer to what I analyzed this in my last video, we mentioned we can expect the price to drop, and this is what we get. The way it's moving is really corrective. Okay. And right now we cannot get any proper trade setup because it turned really to corrective move. And the best things is let this one retest this low. Okay. That's mean even if right now we want to look for trade setup, one of the option to have an entry above this. The another one, if we wait for the breakout of this with a sharp move on the fly. Rather than that, we don't have any trade setup. That's why we want this one to retest this low. Then from there, we can shift our entry to this one above here. Anyway, even right now, we can put our entry here, but it become more risky because simply this one can move up. If the price doesn't retest this low, we can get the internal flat. And this one can turn to be a correction. By the way, we can have entry above this as long as the price haven't retested this low, because as we can see the price almost near to the previous low. Okay, but for those traders, they can have a manage their front, they can like be in front of the chart, they can shift to here at right now even. And what we want the continuation. Okay, that's mean having trade above here or the here, it will be optional for the traders. But if the price retests this low, drop some more, then mostly we will prefer to put here. Okay, and another option also we look for the short move flag, because the way it's moving is really corrective. We want to see this one turn to DP correction. We don't see any reversal point right now. Okay, and even if you move to 15 minute, still we can expect this one to become a deeper. All right, by the way, we move to daily. We want to see what we have based on daily. We don't have anything to discuss. The only thing is if we want to get the continuation, we prefer to get the correction here. All right, because already whatever the correction we have here is quite complex. That's why any trade setup from now we will take the trade. And the only thing is we're looking at this correction. All right, the how we can look at this correction is still we can expect this one to give us one move up, turn to a flat for one more drop. If we get this correction, for sure the next trade can give us a really good trade. But if the price reverse from here, we need to see how. That's why any reversal from here with the breakout of the stop can give us one more drop. Okay, that's why I was keep mentioning let this one retest this low. Okay, anyway, if I move to 15 minute, we will see what we have. Sorry, 1 hour chart. You want to see what we have based on 1 hour chart. All right, let the price drop. The best things is let the price retest this low. Then from there we look for trade. Any reversal from here, mostly we can expect the internal flat. All right, that's why I mentioned as long as the price haven't retested this low, having entry above this can be really risky. The best is above here because of if this one turn to a more complex correction. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup. We can look at this chart. The way it's moving in different ways, but we want to see how deep this one can be. For me, I prefer to retest this low before I look for trade. And we don't have anything else to discuss. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.